Okay, so everyone's nervous about me making a speech because I was out there. I love her more than anything, and I want to say the first night I met her, I had decided to go out on my own because that's the type of person I am, and Corinne, because we think the same, decided to do the same as well. And how we met as friends is I was standing at a bar by myself, like a loner, and she turns to me, and I don't know her, and she goes, "This drink is really strong. Do you want to share it with me?" And I was like, looking her up and down. She looked clean. No nerves. And I said,
"What's up?"
Okay. And then, seriously, from that minute on, we were good friends. And I think every night that I decided to go out on my own, my roommates making fun of me, like, who are you going to see, who are you going to hang out with? And that's who I'm going to hang out with. And what this says to me is, from the very second that I met this woman, she has been giving. And that's the type of person that she is. And from the second you meet her, everyone feels the same generosity. And Mikey gets to share that for the rest of his life. And she's a great woman, and she'll always give her heart and soul to the people that she loves. And I appreciate that about her. And I've also watched Mikey grow up. He's become such a man, and it's amazing to me. And I'm going to cry. I'm not going to cry. Are you crying away? Still away. And I watched Mikey go from this little kid from when I hung out with Tony all the time to this grown man who knows how to love a woman for all that she is and appreciate her. And I've never seen a more beautiful couple and a more inspirational too.
Here, here.
So that's all I want to say.